So how to change your name on PayPal? So to change your full legal name on PayPal, if you open up the PayPal dashboard here, you just want to click on the settings icon right here. And then once you've done that, it will pull you through to your account settings, and your full legal name on your account should be displayed right here. And to go ahead and change it, click Change Name, and then it will pull you through to this page here, which will say Change Your Name. So you're going to need to enter your full legal name that is on your government issued photo ID. Obviously be aware, you may need to upload additional documents to verify your new name. But then once you've entered your new name, click Continue, and then from there you may be prompted to upload your photo ID, but sometimes it does just change straight away, which it has done in our example here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.